I wanted to leave a video testimonial about working with Deepan. It's very interesting. We've just launched our new coaching website. My girlfriend and I have launched a practice, and I have to say, Deepan was brilliant. It was really good working with him. What I found very interesting was that he created the mock-up of the website first, like the skin of it, and therefore we could bring in all our design elements and so on, and then he would send it live, which seemed to feel like great methodology and a really good way of working together. We're really stoked with the website. We're really happy with it, and everyone who's seen it thinks it's genuinely it looks the part. It looks really good, and I think we bounced back and forth different design elements, but when it came to the functionality of the website and crafting the structure of it, Deepan was brilliant. And then I think from our end, we then went in and helped with the sort of creative look and feel. And yeah, it felt like a real team effort, and we're very happy with it. So thank you.